Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back. This is the day 2 of the weekend workshop. Today is 8th October, 11 a.m. and we are starting and we all are here to gather the information related to the cloud computing as well as Linux. I will take only 2 minutes for just my introduction, nothing else. Okay. As you already aware that we are from the community and the community detail is here. We have 53,000 members in our Facebook group. We have 7,000 members in our Instagram. We have 8,000 plus members who are connected with us in the WhatsApp group, WhatsApp community, plus 1,500 subscribers on the YouTube channel as well. And because of your support, we reach into this place and we have created the community for the cloud and DevOps engineers. Is that fine? And about me, I am Vikas. I have around 12 years of technical DevOps as well as cloud experience. Currently, I'm working in one of the big MNC as a cloud architect, or you can say cloud consultant. I am an individual contributor as well as I'm the mentor. You will see me in lot of YouTube videos, or you will see me in lot of articles. Is that fine? Sweet and simple introduction. Hurry, yes, no, please.
Yes.
Cool. Good. Okay. Now, why we are doing or why we are making this community? Simple answer. Alone, you can't learn the things. Okay. If you will learn the things by own, it will be very difficult. If you will learn by YouTube, if you will learn by something else, which where the recorded sessions are there, you will not able to resolve your issues or resolve your query. Then if you will get stuck into any of the place, if you will not get proper guidance to come out from the issue, you will not able to complete the target whatever you want to achieve it. So we are providing a group like this. We are 30 members. I want to create a small group of people who has the same intention, who want to become cloud and DevOps engineer, who want to double the package, triple the package, or they want to come into the technology. So I will create a small group. I will be the person who will mentor you. I will be the person who will guide you and make the cloud and DevOps engineer. Simplest answer. Is that fine? Yes or no? Guys, yes or
Yes.
no? Right? And now the question is, sir, how you will make us cloud and DevOps engineer? We have to follow the learnings. Without learning, nothing will happen. Over the night, nothing will happen. Over the night, no one will give you the knowledge. Okay. You have to follow the roadmap. You have to learn the things. You have to implement the things. You have to do the practicals. You have to give the interviews. Then only your genuine real-time experience will come with you. Otherwise, there are thousands of shortcuts are there, which is not a suitable or which is not a achievable thing. I am giving you the right path. You just have to learn the things, give the interview, crack the interview, get a job. That's it. Without learning, interview will never get clear. Interviewers are very smart. Companies are very smart. If you need a job, if you want to survive into the job, you must have to be a knowledgeable person. Okay. And I will be the person who will help you out. I will be the person who will give you the real time knowledge for all these tools. And as per the today's agenda, we are going to discuss some part of the module 1 and some part of the Linux thing. Now, sir, can you elaborate this? I am ready to elaborate this. If you will come to my website, Cloud DevOps Hub, if you will come little bit down, 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 here is a place where you can see the complete syllabus. Just click here. One syllabus will be open. This is the syllabus. The day-wise agenda is there. Yesterday, we just completed the introduction from the day 1. Today, it's a technical day. We have to discuss the technical things. So I don't want to waste any of the time. Let's jump directly into the technical part. Are you guys ready? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes,
Cool. Good. Okay. And as per the day 2 agenda, we have to understand about servers, data centers, because we all came here for learning the cloud computing. But if you don't know what is data center, what is servers, this cloud knowledge or cloud computing knowledge will not be very helpful. So I want to take the step back. I want to explain you the data centers thing first in the next 10 minutes. and then we will move into the cloud computing and so on. Okay, so in simple, this is the agenda which we have to achieve it. Very first 15 minutes we will discuss about the data center, then we will discuss about the cloud computing. After that 10 minutes, I will explain you about the private cloud, public cloud. Inside the public cloud, private cloud, what is the infrastructure as a service, what is platform as a service, what is software as a service, what is function as a service, and so many things. Even we will discuss the serverless computing also into this place. After that, we will take the practical, because if we learn half an hour, we must have to do the practical, then only you will able to remember the things. So this 40 minutes, technical things, scenarios, and practical we are going to do. After that, doing this part, definitely as per the agenda, again 20 minutes, Linux theory will come into the picture. After the theory, we will directly jump into the technical part of the Linux into the real-time commands. I will implement everything on my screen. You must have to watch it, and you have, if possible, I will give the ways, I will give a multiple ways how to create a virtual machine, how to learn the Linux. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to pay anything. Free options are available into the market as a playground. We are going to learn, and this will be our today's agenda. Is this clear? Any question in this part?
No.
Everyone?
No.
Cool. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's jump directly into the cloud computing. Let's go here. Let's come into the day two part. Okay, in the day two part, before starting the cloud, by any chance, anyone here who get an opportunity to see the data centers? Anyone in this group?
Yes, I have seen
No.
that.
Okay, Raju has seen. Raju, is this look like a data center? Yes, no.
Yes, it's
Okay, it's look very big, it's look very clean, but in the real time it's not that much big, it's not that much clean. Sometime in the movies, hacking movies, or sometime in the pictures we have seen, but this is the image for the data center. Just in the real time, the data centers look like this. Okay, what is the meaning of this data center? Why these data centers are creating? Guys, if you will remember, 5 years back, 7 years back, in every company there will be a some server room. That server room contain this type of storage thing, this type of servers inside a AC in a restricted area. That also called a small data center, but in the general or in the normal term, we are calling as a server room. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
yes,
Yes,
agreed.
sir.
Cool. Good.
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, this is a bigger part of that. If they have a capacity of 10 VMs, it has a capacity of thousands virtual machine. If they have a capacity of storage of 1 TB, it has a storage capacity of 100 capacity. Okay, like that. If you want a bigger server, you have to keep the number of machine into the loop or into the parallel or into the series. Cool. Now, before going into anywhere, if I will give a scenario, okay, because in the real time, you must have to achieve the things with the help of scenarios. Okay, if I will give a very simple requirement, okay, this is a website. This is a website, CloudDevOpsHub. I'm giving you this website. In this website, if I will tell you, you have to create a website simply like this. Okay, or you have to create a one website like this, which is visible here. Can you guys help me out how we can create this type of website? I need your current knowledge, how much time it will be required, what all things will be required, and how we can create a website like this. Can you please help me out? I have an open empty notepad. I need your answer. My question is, I need this type of website has to be developed. This is my question. Can you please help me out? What all things will be required? How much time it will be required?
Yeah. So first we have to design HTML template, and later
Cool.
for designs we have to use CSS.
HTML and CSS for designing part.
And for design and to functionality working, we need to add JavaScript.
Okay,
And
some
later,
automation or some HTML and JavaScripts will be required. Okay, this is the pure
yes,
development part. Developers will do it.
yeah.
Agree?
And later we have to host this in somewhere in any machine
Correct.
to
Hosting
serve
will be
to the
required.
end user.
Okay. Okay, hosting will be required. and as soon as it will get hosted, it will be visible to the end user. In the hosting, can you elaborate little bit more? Guys, another person give the wrong answer, that is also fine, because you all came here for the learning purpose. If you will not give the answer, selection will be tough. If you will give the wrong answer, at least your answer will get corrected. Yes. In the hosting, what all things will be there?
Operating system, memory.
Cool, very good. Operating system will be required, memory will be required. What else will be required? Operating system, memory, CPU, everything has to be available into the virtual machine. Then virtual machine we have to create first, correct?
Web server or the application server.
Correct. This code has to be run into some web server. So web server will be required. Okay. Cool. Yep. What else? What else? Still the
Storage.
answer is not complete. If something is storage related thing, storage will be there. Okay. Because let assume if any of the video we have to upload, storage will be required. Yes. Cool. What else? Guys, give the wrong answer. Testing. Okay. If anything has been developed, you have to do the testing also. Some tester will be required. Yes, I agree. What else?
Domain registration.
Cool. If you want to run it, the DNS name or domain registration will be required. Otherwise, IP will be visible. Cool. What else?
Security.
Some security related thing after testing, or if it's run, security related thing, SECURITY, security related things will be required. Yes. What else? See, guys, we discussed, then only 10 points came into the picture, right? If you will not discuss, nothing will come. Think it, please.
Firewall rules.
It's everything will come into the security. Cool. What else?
Firewall.
Firewall will come into the security. Let me write it. FIREWLL. Yes. What else?
Load balancer to
Load balancer will be
maintain the
here. Correct. If your website is very big, multiple people are using it, load balancer will be required. Yes. It's coming into this category, web servers. Yes. What else?
Auto scaling.
Auto scaling. Don't go in very tough things. Give the simple answer first. Okay. First, level 1 has to be complete. First, get the 20 lakh package, then go for 50 lakh package. Yes. Some more answers. Anything else you want to say? Anyone? Chalo. Now, my next question. If you need all these things, how much time will be required to create a website? How much time will be required? Duration.
with cloud or without cloud.
Without cloud, traditional way.
So I guess as per my expertise,
Yep.
it will take around 2 to 3 months.
Okay, Raju, what's your expertise? How much is your experience?
I mean, total I have 5.6 years of experience
Good
into
years.
IT industry.
Good. Okay.
And
Okay.
and in cloud and DevOps, I'm having around 1.8 and 1.9 years of
Cool.
experience.
Cool. Good. Okay. As per the traditional way, it required 2 to 3 months. Guys, are you agree with this point, or anyone want to deny, or anyone want to say something else? You are feel free to unmute and give the answers. Yes. Guys, be active fast. How much fast you will give the answer? Extra things we will learn it. Yes, go ahead. Okay, chalo. If no one is telling, I'm also agree that 2 to 3 months or around 45 days will be required to achieve all these things, to achieve all this part. And now the costing will come into the picture. How much will be the cost? I need a new person to give the answer. I don't want to ask the question with the same person. How much will be the cost to achieve all these things? Guys, give the answer. Not Raju. I need a new person.
Near about 5 lakh.
5 lakhs. 5 lakhs is a very high amount. Any other person? If you will give a contract, if I have a requirement, you are a contractor, you will say I need 5 lakh. Client will not be ready. Any other person?
25K around.
Around 25K. Okay, 25 will be very less. I feel that you will not able to complete the work because memory, CPU, hosting, testing, security, development, everything cannot be achieved in 25K.
2 lakhs.
Okay. But the answers are very different, right? 5 lakh, 25, 2 lakhs. Okay, chalo, let's come to the average. 1 LPA, 1 lakhs. Okay, is that fine? Are yes,
Yes.
no? Okay, so around 45 days will be required. 1 lakh budget will be required to create a one simple website. Okay, this is a one static website. Okay, which has to be achieved with the help of this. Okay, we have to do the investment, we have to make the time, and we have to achieve it. Cool, I agree. Chalo, I will give the answer in the next 15 minutes, and I will do this practical in front of you. I will achieve it. Okay, I will not take 2 to 3 months. I will not take 1 lakh rupees, or I will not take any rupee. I will create it, I will develop in front of you. But before going into that part, let's understand a little bit theory. Okay, now simple answer, we need a system admin team, okay, who will do the administration of servers, management, CPU, memory, virtual machine, everything. We need an investment. We have to do the investment on the resource, CPU, memory, how much will be the uses. We have to create a small data center like this, and we have to achieve it. Either I can go to the data center, or I can go to the host provider. In between, one of the student has given the answer hosting. Yes, either you can go, you can take all these things from the data center, or either you can go to the hosting provider, and we can achieve this part. I agree with this answer. Okay, so there is a first option, either go to the data center, create your own data center, or otherwise go to the hosting provider. They will give a charges. They will give, you have to send your requirement, they will respond you in the next 24 hours. They will give you the budget allocation, you have to pay the money, and then only the hosting provider will allow you to host the website into their environment. Are you agree with the option 1? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
let's come to the option 2. You are telling that no, I don't want to go to the hosting provider, I will go for the shopping. Okay, I will purchase the hardware, I will set up the hardware, which 5 years back or 10 years back companies are doing it. They are going for the shopping, they are purchasing the hardware, configuring into their room, because they are very much concerned about the security. So they will create their own data centers. Okay, third option, either you can rent all these options or all this hardware, taking into the rent, and then set up the things, means install the web server, install the operating system, install the website, add the code, and then run it. This is also a third option. These three options are very popular 5 years back. Okay, but with the help of this 5 years, if you will set up this all things, if any of the equipment failure, if hardware get failed, if any of the communication fail, power outage, electricity gone, network slow, or if any of the problem happen in your data center or in your server room, the only solution is go to the data center and try to fix it. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? Guys, be
Yes,
active.
sir.
Everyone agree?
Yes.
Right? If
Yes.
any of the problem happen, only solution, if there is no internet connectivity, go inside the data center, check it why internet is not coming, communicate with the Airtel, Jio, whatever is your provider, raise a complaint, they will come, they will fix, it will take time, and there is a out time. Only solution is, for every issue, go to the data center and try to check it. Okay, this is the biggest problem of the data center. Okay, now another second problem, that assume today you are running a website, or today you are running a laptop. If your laptop has this configuration, okay, the configuration is 8 GB RAM. Let's assume there is a 8 GB RAM. Now you want to increase to the 16 GB RAM. How you will do it? What all the options are there? If you have a 8 GB of RAM at this point, 8 GB, and your laptop is running very slow, you have to increase to 16 GB. What is the solution?
Yeah, we'll go to some hardware shop, or
Okay.
maybe from where we have purchased that laptop.
Purchase
And ask them
purchase
to-
the RAM and add it, right?
Yes.
Okay, either you will purchase one more 8 GB, or if 8 GB same configuration or same thing you will not get, you will purchase the 16 GB. You need a money for this, and you need a time. Correct? How much time or how much money will be required? Around 5K money will be required. Or if you will do, it will happen in the one day. But if you will think it, it will not happen in the 6 months also. Yes or no? Yes or no? Are you agree with my point? Right? So what I want to say that increasing a RAM from 8 GB to 16 GB, minimum investment will be required. Your time will be required. If you will try to achieve it, you can achieve it in a single day also. If you will not do, if you will delay it, it will take 6 months also. Because for me also, when I want to upgrade the RAM, I was thinking from last couple of months, and then only I have upgraded my RAM. It happens with you also. It's a real time, right? In the servers also, if we think that, okay, costing will come into the picture, you have to take the approvals. If everyone is ready, then only you will able to increase it, right? First option, go to the data center, purchase it, and then add it. What is the second option? Any other second option you have? Guys, what is the second option if you have to increase the RAM?
Second option is we can buy more 8 GB storage and fix it.
Okay, fine. That also required costing, that also required a time, correct? Or you can
Correct.
take the rents, you can on the servers, on the server room, you can take the things on a rent basis. For renting, if you will take it as a rent, you have to raise a request. Okay, you have to raise a request within 2 hours to 24 hours, they will respond. Okay, and as soon as they will respond, they will give you the budget allocation. If you all good, they will come to your data center. So that mute yourself if you are not talking. They will come to your data center, okay, and they will add it, and it will get fixed. This is the second option. Any third option, guys? Any third option? Because in the interview, let assume you given one answer. He is thinking that, okay, give me the better answer. What is your second option? Second thought. Give me the third option for this. First, wrong answer also acceptable. Answer, I need an answer. Wrong answer also acceptable. Give the answer, please. Third option, if you are using the cloud, okay, just one click, okay, and change it. This I will do into the today's class. In the one click from 8 GB to 16 GB RAM, I will do it. Is that fine? This is the third option in the cloud. We can achieve it in the single click. Nothing investment, no pre-investment required. Just one click and the rent will come after that. Cool. Chalo, let's go more deeper into it. In the data centers, if you are not using, you must have to pay the rent, right? Because you already created the hardwares, you already put the hardwares into some place, storage thing, AC, power, internet, you have to pay the rent. You have to pay the rent for the power supply, you have to pay for the cooling, you have to pay for the maintenance, you have to pay for the system admin team, you have to pay for the database administration team, or multiple security teams will be there. You have to pay for everything. If any hardware replacement changes happen, it will be chargeable. It will take time. It's not very easy to do the changes into the data center in easy way. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? Are you agree with my three first points? The problems of the data center. The fourth problem, let us assume today, if you are running a 10 servers, tomorrow your requirement, you want to add 10 more servers. Then you have to take a big storage place. Okay, you have to increase your server room. That's also a tough thing. Okay, so scaling is very limited. Today you are running 10 servers, you can't add 100 servers. Practically it's very difficult. Okay, you have to hire a 24/7 team who will be always available to monitor your infrastructure. Is everything working properly or not? If not, they will raise a concern with the system admin team. They will come and they will try to resolve it. Ideal, if any of the disaster by mistaken, any wire issue, the red came, or anything happened in the data center, disaster, water came, flood came, internet gone, you are the only sole person who is creating the data center. You have to resolve the issues by own. Are you agree? This is the biggest problem. Earthquake, fire, power shutdown, any of the problem happen, you are the sole responsible to fix the problems. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? If any of the problem happen, external person, if any of the external person will come and they will charge you free of cost, nothing will happen. These are the problems happen into the data centers. Okay, these are the problems happen into the data center. That's why the new thing came into the picture, new concept came into the picture around 5 to 8 years back, or even 10 years back. This concept came into the picture. What is this concept? The concept called cloud. What exactly the cloud? Same thing, same data centers, okay, which are available, which are managed by the experts, okay, where the single place thousands of servers can be managed by the expert, and you can manage everything, or you can use it with the help of internet. That concept is known as cloud. What exactly the cloud is? It has a software, it has an application, it has a database which are running on some other place with the help of internet. If you are accessing, that is called cloud. This cloud, if you are using or used by the company or someone is providing to you, that is called cloud computing. In simple language, in the real time, in the market, in the current scenario, there are multiple cloud providers are available: Google Cloud, AWS, Azure, IBM, Salesforce. These are the cloud providers. We are using their services. That is called, we are using the cloud computing. In simple short, okay, let me show you some cloud, okay, some cloud provider. I'm going to my AWS account, okay. Let me explain, okay. I'm going to the simple place, aws.amazon./console. As soon as you have the account, I will teach you how to create an account. As soon as you will go here, okay, as soon as you will click on the login, it will ask you your information, account ID, username, password. I will teach you how to create an account. I will teach you how to create a free account, okay, for the 1 year. As soon as you will click in the sign in, you will land it into this place. This services, if you are using with the help of console, with the help of internet, means you are taking the help from the cloud computing technology provided by the AWS, and you are using their resources. Are you agree? Using their services, using someone else's services is known as cloud computing. Clear? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Now this is AWS account. Let me open the another account also, because we are here for learning the cloud computing. We are not here for the AWS or GCP, right? We are here for the cloud computing part. So here I'm opening one more tab. I'm opening a console.cloud.google.com, means I'm going to the google.com at this point. Earlier, I was into the AWS. This is AWS. This is Google. Now, if you will see the difference, this is console. Here also it's console.cloud.google.com. Is the links are kind of similar? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? Here in the AWS, here is a tab where all the services are available. In the Google Cloud, here is a 3 lines where all the services are available. Guys, I want to say that if you know one cloud, you can easily work into the another cloud as well. No need to worry. Simple. If you know the driving, how to drive a car, you can drive any of the car. If you know how to use a laptop, it doesn't matter you are using a Lenovo laptop, it doesn't matter you are using a HP or Dell, any laptop. If you know how to use a Windows, you can use any of the laptop. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? So you don't have to worry that, sir, I have to learn AWS cloud, I have to learn GCP, or I have to learn Azure. If you know any of the cloud, you can work in any of the cloud, any of the different cloud as well. Okay, only the names are different. Chalo, cool. Now this is called cloud computing. Now, sir, I want to understand a little bit more. Yes, definitely. When I'm talking about the cloud computing, there are primarily 4 types of clouds are available into the market. First is public cloud. From the name itself is very straightforward. Public means multiple people in a same place. That is called public cloud. From the name, another is private cloud. The name is very clear, private, very secure, full control, full regulation, full flexibility of your. You can create any of the security rule. You can create any of the privacy thing. You can keep whatever you want because this is your private cloud. Third is a community cloud who has the same intention. Let assume I am a part of the community. My intention is to become a cloud engineer. Your all intention is to become a cloud engineer. Our aim is same. Then we or you can host our resources into some third place, and we can call as a community. That is called community cloud. Meets the share concern, means my intention, your intention, my logic, my security, my things are very similar to you. So we can take the community cloud as well. That is also possible. Public cloud, straightforward public, in the single place, multiple people can host their things. In the real time, very less public cloud is getting used. Companies, ITs are using it, but they are not keeping their very private or important data into the public cloud. So in the real time, in 99% cases, we have to understand the private cloud. Now the question will come, sir, how to create a private cloud, or what is private cloud? Can you show it? Yes, I am here. I will show you as well. Okay, let me show you on a very high level how to create a private cloud. Let me go, guys, choose any of the data center, please. Any of the data center where I will create my own private cloud. Choose any of the data center. Unmute and choose any of the data center. Oregon, Mumbai, Singapore, Sydney, Tokyo, any of the data center, please.
Bombay.
Mumbai. Okay, let's come to the Mumbai. Okay, I click on the Mumbai. What is my requirement? Yes, what is my requirement? What I have to create? What I have to create? What is my requirement?
Private cloud.
Private cloud. Chalo, let's type private, private, CLOUD. Okay, the name of the private cloud is VPC, virtual private cloud. My requirement is I need a private cloud. I just type the private cloud. The very first option, virtual private cloud, came. Isolated cloud resource, means your own cloud resources will be kept into this place. Okay, let's go inside it. Let's go inside it. At this point, little bit slow, no worries. At this point, I have only one VPC available, one private cloud available. There is no name for this. I'm going to create one private cloud in front of you. How to create a private cloud? If you think that it's tough thing, you are absolutely wrong. I will just click 2 to 5 clicks and I will show you how to create a private cloud. I'm just clicking on here, create VPC, create a virtual private cloud. Can anyone unmute and tell me your name, please?
Santosh.
Santosh, Santhosh. Okay, Santosh has told first. I'm taking the name Santosh. Okay, I'm giving a name Santosh. I'm creating a Santosh virtual private cloud. Okay, Santosh, do you need an internet connection? If you are purchasing a plot, how much size plot you are purchasing? Any idea? You are creating a private cloud. How much big cloud you need? Tell me. There are options 16, 24, 28, 32.
32.
32. Okay. If I will take /32, okay. Can anyone explain me what do you mean by /32?
Fourth number.
No, absolutely wrong. No, if you will /32, it's absolutely wrong. Can I take 30? Okay, I will explain you guys. We have a separate networking class to teach you all these things. Okay, I will show you where exactly it is. Networking class. Here is the day 17 and 18, where I will teach you all these things very deeply. Okay, but at this point, on a very high level, I'm just putting it 30. Okay, and I'm clicking on the create VPC. Okay, this is not a valid number, 10.0/16. Let me give it 16. Okay, and let me create it. Sorry, my bad. Okay, 10.0.0./16. Okay, I'm just choosing this number, which AWS only suggesting me, and I click on the create. As soon as I click on the create, I get an answer. VPC has been created with the name Santosh. I'm clicking on here and I'm able to see my Santosh virtual private cloud has been created. Things are not tough, guys. We don't know. That's why it's look tough. I created already a private cloud. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Things are not tough. If we don't know, if you will never get a proper mentorship, it's tough. If you know the things, it's very easy. Yes, I created a virtual private cloud. Okay, this is how we can create a cloud. We will go very deep. No need to worry. Okay, on a very high level, I am just showing to you. So this is how we can create a private cloud, and this is the cloud which is used by 90% companies. Okay, but if my words are 90%, this is correct 4 years or 5 years back. At this point in 2023 or 24 or 25, people don't want single private cloud. They are telling that we want to keep some resources in AWS. We want to keep some resources into the Google Cloud. That time, the new cloud came with the picture that is called hybrid cloud. That's why earlier I was teaching only AWS. In 2023, people are asking double cloud. Okay, some resources are in AWS cloud, some resources are in GCP cloud. That is called hybrid cloud technology. Some resources, something, whatever is good in AWS, let's use from the AWS. Whatever is good into the Azure, use something from the Azure as well. That is called hybrid cloud. That's why I made my course also as a hybrid cloud. I will teach whatever is best into AWS. I will teach the thing. Whatever is best into the Google Cloud, I will teach the best things from the Google Cloud as well. That is called hybrid cloud model. Are you clear?
Yes, because.
Yes, sir.
Combined cloud. That is called
Yes, sir.
hybrid cloud. Same cloud which has a shared resources, or you have a same intention, that is called community cloud. Absolutely, you are 100% private. Your all rule, your total control, your flexibility, your regulations, your rules. That is called private cloud. Public cloud, publicly available. Someone can change your rules. You can elastic, increase, decrease. Price are very less of the public cloud. When you will go to the public room or shared room into the hostel, the charges will be less. When you will take your own private room into the hostel, little bit charges will be high. Same concept. You can put your log, you can create your rules. That is called private rule concept. Clear? Yes, no.
Yes, because.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Guys, any question here? Any dilemma? Any question? Any small question? Is my speed is okay? I'm not very fast. I'm not very slow. Guys,
Okay.
Okay.
It's
all good? Good. Chalo. Now, I'm giving some theory about public cloud. If you will read it, it will be very good. If you will read the private cloud theory, it will be very good. If you will read the hybrid cloud theory, it will be little good. Just see that either one cloud can be private or public. That is also cloud hybrid. If two clouds, that is called hybrid cloud. It can be AWS, GCP, it can be AWS, Azure, it can be GCP, Azure, anything. If two clouds, that is called hybrid cloud. That's it. Okay, now the time, what are the benefits or advantages of the cloud? It's easily upgradable. You can, today you are working in Mumbai data center. You feel that Mumbai is little bit slow for you. You can check the latency. Okay, chalo nice. Let me ask the technical question. Okay, how to choose the data center? Which data center is good for you? How to choose the data center? My question is, how to choose data center? There are so many options are available here. Mumbai, Mumbai, Ohio, and Virginia, California. Which one we will choose and why? Give me the answer.
Yeah, it said which is very closer to us.
No, Raju, this is not a correct answer. If I will tell you, you have to go for a shopping, the nearest shop you will go and purchase everything. No. Are you agree with my point? If I will tell you, you have to purchase something, you will go to the nearest shop and purchase it. No. There may be chances sometimes you will go.
we can choose which data center which is provide many space.
Everyone is technically virtually unlimited. So this answer is also wrong.
Because latency.
What do you mean by latency? Can you please explain?
It show like a connectivity between the infra on-premises and cloud.
See, your answer is correct, but you have to explain it also properly. That's very important, right?
Yes, yes.
Explain again.
There is
Someone.
there is a connectivity between the on-premises and the
No, you are not explaining
cloud
properly.
region.
Your answer is correct. Your keyword is correct. But if the interviewer asks second question with the first question, then you will get
Yes,
rejected.
yes, yes. Okay, okay.
Next
Got it,
person,
got it.
please.
Because which will give you quick response.
I agree. That is called latency. Okay. Now the next question from the same question, how to check it, which data center is giving the quick response? How to check it technically, prove it. Can you prove it, guys? Because guys, if you are a technical person, you have to prove everything. Theoretically, nothing will
Ping
happen.
command.
Ping command. Ping will give packets and all these things. It's a fresher level question answer. Give little bit better answer. If you need 5 lakh, 10 lakh, 15 lakh, 20 lakh package, give better answer. In
We
the
can use a
interview,
trace route.
I'm telling you the real time. If you will tell that we can check with the ping command, if interviewer is going to give you 10 lakh package, he will say, no, give 7 lakh package to him. Right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Because
Yes.
answer came as a fresher level. Why to give the salary of experience level? Because everything is in interviewer hand. When whenever you will give the answer, okay, he will write because everything is directly proportional to the salary.
Yes, correct.
Yes. So I need a technical answer, better answer. So if interviewer has a budget of 10 lakh, he will release the offer of 12 or 15. This is I want to make my students. Go ahead. Guys, the answer is yes, the command is ping. Okay. But we have to check it on a technical way. Okay. In the technical way, cloud ping is a command. If you want to check the AWS data center, okay, just click here, ping HTTP. Whatever the data center, I pinged all the data center in one shot. Okay. I pinged to Virginia, Ohio, California, Central, Ireland, London, and which one is giving the fast response? At this point, Mumbai is giving the fast response. Hyderabad is also giving the fast response to me. Singapore is also giving the good response to me. But the best option I'm getting is Mumbai. Okay, I'm getting the best response from the Mumbai data center. Okay, you can check it from your region. Anyone outside India at this point? Anyone from the outside India in this group, in this our 50 people? Guys, you can check it and let me know which data center is giving the fastest response to you. Guys, give the answer quickly.
Okay,
We
I have one
can
question.
Mumbai it is.
Which one? Mumbai. Okay, cool. What about others?
Hyderabad.
Hyderabad, Mumbai. Okay, I agree.
Pune.
Pune. Okay, cool. Is Pune data center is also available?
Yes.
I don't think so.
I don't think so.
No.
How come Pune came into the picture?
No.
Guys, so technical answer.
Only Mumbai and
Mumbai and Hyderabad, because we all are basically primarily from the India location. So Mumbai and Hyderabad is giving the good response or faster response to us. That's it. Okay. This is the technical answer. This is for AWS. Let's go for the Azure. Okay. In the Azure cloud. Okay. Because I am teaching cloud here. I'm not teaching AWS. Let's go to the Azure latency check. Okay. Central India is giving a good response to me at this point. Okay. And let's check. Whatever is coming in red, never create your data center into the red region. Okay. Otherwise, your client will never be happy. Okay. Let's check. Let's wait. Okay. Whatever is coming in red, orange, we don't have to choose. Whatever is coming into the dark green color, Central India is giving a good response to me. Okay. Cool. I will check and I will get the answer. But do you know Google Cloud? Okay, let's check the Google Cloud. Okay, the answer I'm getting for Azure is in 1000 milliseconds, right? Correct? Yes or no? 200 milliseconds, 200 milliseconds. When we will check for the Google Cloud, okay, I'm going to the Google Cloud check. Okay, I'm selecting all the data centers, whatever is available, and I'm clicking on the ping. Okay, if you will see the connectivity of Google data center, okay, 9 milliseconds. Okay, 8 milliseconds. Okay, now it will be very tough 5 milliseconds. Singapore, India 2 milliseconds. Australia 4 milliseconds. Okay. 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 Checking one by one all the data center. Okay. US is giving in 3 seconds. Okay. Let us assume India is giving in 2 seconds. Okay. And I'm getting the answer from all the data center. Whatever is giving the fastest response, we will choose that data center. So technically in Google Cloud, Mumbai is coming as a good option. Second option is coming as a Germany. Okay. In Google Cloud. In Azure, the good option is coming as a Central India. Okay. Then Pacific, Air Asia, and West India, South India also the options are coming in Azure. Okay. And mute yourself, please mute yourself. And another UAE is also coming as good option. Qatar is also coming as good option in Azure. Okay. In AWS, the best option is coming Hyderabad and Mumbai. Mumbai and Hyderabad. Guys, technically you get the answer how to choose the data center for your client. Yes or no? Yes, no, please.
Yes, Vikesh.
Okay.
Sir, yes, sir.
Very first, if the client came to you, you have to choose the data center. This is a very scratching level thing. Okay. You will give this technical answers to the client that, sir, Mumbai is the best option for you. You are not telling from your mind. The answer is coming here. That's why you are telling. Technically, you have to prove everything. Okay. Cool. Good. Now, there are some benefits. Okay. Same benefit, easily upgradable. When at this point, if you are using 5 machine, you need a 50 machine, just click and you will get a 50 machines. Okay. Can I prove that? Chalo, let me prove that. Let me go to the AWS. Guys, what is EC2? Can you please help me out? What is EC2? Fast. What is EC2?
Is an instance.
Compute.
VM. Service.
It's a virtual machine, right?
Yeah, virtual machine.
Virtual.
Virtual machine I can create in 5 clicks.
That's all.
Okay, I can click the virtual machine in 5 click. And the next question, sir, how many virtual machine you can create in 5 click? I can create n number of virtual machine. If you need 50 virtual machines, just change it here. You need 50, just type 50, so that 50 virtual machines will get created to you in the next 2 to 3 clicks. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Interview
Yes, sir.
question. Interview question.
Yes, Vikesh.
If I will
It's possible.
interview question, if you need 50 machines, how you will create it? You will say, sir, 50 times I will create, and you will get rejected. Okay, there is the option here, number of instance, just choose it 50 machine, just click on the launch instance, 50 machine will get created in just 1 click. That's it. Things are very simple. You have to learn it. Only thing. Okay. Chalo, cool. Let's close this part. Cancel it. Otherwise, 50 machines will get created for me. Okay. Now, easily upgradable. Today you are using something. Tomorrow you want to use something else. You can easily upgrade the things. Low cost of ownership. If I will tell you to create a virtual machine in your physical data center, very difficult. In the cloud, how to create a virtual machine? Let's create it. Okay. Now the time came. Launch instance. 1 click. I click on the launch instance. Okay. Guys, tell me your name, please. Anyone of your name? Anyone of your name?
Ravi.
RAVI, Ravi. Okay. What is the today's date? 8 October. Okay. I'm creating a machine, Ravi. I just click one time, Ravi. Okay. Which operating system you need? You can choose whatever you want. I'm not choosing anything. Okay. I'm taking all the default configuration, all the default configuration. I'm just taking a second click. I'm taking as a without key. Second click I did. Okay. I'm coming down. I'm allowing the internet. I'm allowing the traffic. 4th click I did 4 clicks till now. Okay. I'm coming down. All done. I'm clicking on the 5th click now, launch instance. As soon as I will click on the launch instance, my machine is ready. Just 5 click, my machine is successfully created. I'm clicking on the instance. Ravi machine is pending at this point. Do you know how much time it will take to come up? Give me the answer
No.
quickly. Guys, tell me the
No.
answer.
2 minutes.
2 minutes. 2 minutes is the wrong answer. Just refresh it. pending. Okay, 30 seconds is the correct answer, or less than 30 seconds. Okay, right now it's 11:53. Okay, let me refresh it again. It's already in running state. Okay, less than 30 second, Ravi machine is available with me. Okay, in just a 5 click. This is called thing available in just 1 click. I will be the owner for this machine. Yes, I'm the owner. I'm an owner. Physically, it is hosted in the AWS, but I'm paying the rent, so I will be the ownership. So in simple language, I want to say that low cost of ownership on my head. Agree? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Now, next interview question or next technical question. Sir, you created the machine with the 5 click. How to connect to this machine? Can you guys give me the answer? How to connect to this machine?
Yes, using PEM file and using putty tool, we can connect this EC2 instance.
My God, man, how tough answer you are giving. Give me the simple answer. Here, some freshers are also available.
Okay, so there is one option over there in the
What is the-
screen only.
Yeah, what is the option? Yes,
Connect
tell me.
button.
Correct.
Yeah, connect button.
There is a connect button. Select the machine, click on the connect. Okay. You have to connect to this machine. Just click on connect and you are connected to the machine. That's it. If the simple answer is available, don't give the tough answer. Yes, I connected to the machine. Done? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Guys, very first thing, we will understand the things very simply. Okay. And slowly we will increase our level. Okay. In day one, you will think that you will crack for 50 lakh interview or 30 lakh interview, not possible. But if you will understand the things in a simple way, practice it, remember it, tomorrow our level will get increased. Day after tomorrow, again our level will get increased. In the next 50 classes, our level will be very high. Agree with my point? Yes or no? Practically in one day, everything cannot be learned. Technically, yes. Okay. Chalo. Now, second thing. Low cost of ownership. I just click and I get the machine. I will be the owner for that because I will pay the rent. Always up. Yes, this machine will be always up. I don't have to much worry because it is hosted on the AWS cloud. AWS will take the responsibility. If this machine will go down, AWS has to give the answer. They will take care of the things. You don't have to worry. If let assume I created a machine into the Mumbai data center, if by any reason, if Mumbai goes down or this data centers goes down, AWS will provide the disaster assistance service to me. Okay. If any disaster came into the Mumbai, I am not the sole responsible. AWS are the responsible person. They will take care, they will fix it, and they will give my machine with my data properly back to me. No maintenance cost. I don't have to pay any maintenance. No electricity bill, no power backup, no internet bill, nothing. Everything is already added in my rent. Offsite data storage. Let us assume tomorrow my client move to any other data center. You can simply switch the data center, okay, and create a machine into the another data center, whatever is giving the good latency to you. Okay, it's very easy. Productivity anywhere. You don't have to much worry. You can use into the production environment. It's up and running. It's a productive anywhere and every time. Guys, are you agree with the benefits of cloud? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Anyone want to add any other point? Anyone want to add any other point in the benefit? Guys, please interact, give the wrong answer. That is also fine. You will get to know that you are giving the wrong answer. Anjan, at least all good till now. Any question? Chandan, Bhaskar, Ashwin, Giriraj, Mali, Neha, Pratik. Guys,
All good, sir.
all
Yeah,
good?
Vikas, all good.
Cool. Anyone want to add any other advantage?
Because I have a question.
Go ahead. Cool.
suppose I have created data center in Mumbai right now. Can I
You are
change
not,
it later?
see, you are not creating a data center, you are choosing the data center. Okay.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, I chose first Mumbai and
Correct.
then can I change it?
You can change it anytime, but your data will not move. Okay, you have to move the data manually. Okay, or with the help of some scripts or with the help of some tool, you have to move the data.
Okay, so we have further procedure after that if we want to change.
If we want to change it, yes, you can change it, but data has to be moved. Your application, whatever is running into the Mumbai, it will be available in Mumbai. If you want this machine to go to another data center, you have to delete this instance. You have to create a new instance. You have to move your data to one environment, to one data center to another data center. That is called migration.
Okay,
Get the answer?
thank you. Yeah,
Satisfied with my answer?
yeah, Vikas.
Cool. Yep. Any other person, guys? Any other question? Okay. If nothing, chalo, advantage we understood. What is the disadvantage? What is the disadvantage of cloud?
Someone will hold our data.
No, man. Absolutely wrong answer. No one will hold. AWS holds, but it's completely in your private network. No one can able to see your data. Now all the banks, everything has been moved into the cloud. Okay.
Yes, but our data is somewhere else, right?
It's the
It's not
data is,
our
data is correct. Data is remotely somewhere else. Absolutely agree with this point. Yes. But this is not a disadvantage. Okay. If you feel that this is a disadvantage, maybe okay, but 100% is not a disadvantage. Okay. We can't manage it. That's why we are keeping it to somewhere else. Correct?
Sir, if you are creating the VM and not using, so we have to pay the amount as per you.
Correct. Correct. If you are taking something on a rent, if you are not using it, you have to pay the rent. I agree with your point. Yes. Okay. Let's take you took some room in some other city. If you are not using it, you have to pay the rent. This is a disadvantage. Yes, I agree. Okay. Yes, guys, this is the biggest disadvantage in the cloud. If you took something you are using, not using, doesn't matter. The thing you have taken, that's why you have to pay the rent. I agree. Cool. This is a disadvantage. Okay. Because sometime in the interview, someone may ask. Now, next question related to the cloud only. How the architecture of cloud look? It look very simple. Some place, okay, some place where servers, data center, web servers, applications are available. That is called backend. With the help of internet connectivity, you can connect with your laptop, mobile phone, or anything that is called cloud. The architecture is very simple. Front end and backend. The backend where all the resources are available. Front end with the help of console, with the help of commands, with the help of API, you are connecting to the cloud. Are you agree with my point? This will be the architecture of the cloud. Simplest architecture for the level 0. Cool. Any question here? Guys, yes, no, be fast.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Okay, chalo, let's go more deeper into it. When I'm talking about the cloud, when I'm talking about the cloud computing, it divides into the two parts: deployment model, service model. When I'm talking about the deployment model, 3 or 4 types of clouds are available: public cloud, hybrid cloud, private cloud, as well as community cloud. When I'm talking about the service model, 3 types of service models are available: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. We have already seen on a very high level at this point for the deployment model. I'm going to explain you the service model in some couple of seconds. Okay. Now, cloud computing. What exactly the cloud computing? It's a combination of service model as well as deployment model. When you will give little bit technical answer, what is cloud computing? You have to say that it's a combination of deployment model as a service model and a service model. Okay. When I'm talking about the deployment model, okay. When I'm talking about the deployment model, clouds, I will talk about cloud. Now, if I will talk about service model, I will talk about whatever will be available inside it, in which way. That is called service model. Okay. I'm going inside that. Okay. Now, cloud computing is happening. Cloud computing is happening, or it is possible because of the technology called virtualization. Now the new word came into the picture. What is virtualization? Can anyone give me the answer? What is virtualization? It is virtually available somewhere. My machine is virtually available somewhere. Virtually means virtually available into the Mumbai data center. I will able to access this with the help of internet. That technology is called as virtualization. Can you get my point? What is virtualization? Cloud computing is possible because of virtualization. Accessing someone else's hardware virtually, that is known as virtualization. Guys, you got my point? Cloud computing is possible because of virtualization. Virtualization means accessing someone else's hardware virtually is known as virtualization. Guys, yes or no, please?
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third definition. Technical term of that machine is known as virtual machine. Means this is a machine available virtually for me because Mumbai is virtual location for me. That's why I'm calling as a virtual machine. That's why the short form is a VM. That's why I'm calling as a virtual machine. Clear? Till now, all good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cool.
Yes.
Good. Okay, good. Now the time came. Let's do the practical. Okay. Which practical, sir? The practical which we are deciding at this point. Okay. That you have to create a one website which is called CloudDevOpsHub. Okay. You are telling that you need 2 to 3 months of time or minimum of 40 days of time, and you need 1 lakh of amount to create this practical to achieve this part. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
now I will do the same activity in front of you. Okay. With the help of cloud technology, with the help of DevOps tool. Okay. Guys, can we take a 2 minute or 5 minute small break here so that freshly we can jump into the practical part?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. How much time break? 5 minutes is enough, right? Or 3 minutes? Tell me. You have two options. Five. Okay. Let's take a 5 minute break. Okay.
Yeah, 5 minutes, sir.
Okay, guys, I'm giving you the 5 minute break. Please come back in 5 minutes so that we can directly go into the practical. Your time has already started. Please be back in the next 5 minutes. Quickly.
What they're looking for, aren't they? A corner from the strata. So there's a little bit around the corner. It's a great sight.
Guys, I am back. Still, we are on the break, but whoever has any question, you are available. Feel free to ask with me. Go ahead with the questions.
So this class is going to be a DevOps class for the next 50 days or 60?
Yes, a cloud and DevOps, both the things. Okay, because only learning DevOps is not good. Only learning cloud is not complete. Okay, cloud and DevOps, both the things.
Okay, may I know the how much it cost?
At the end of the session, we will discuss. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Yeah. What else? Any other question?
Sir, what is the meaning for latency?
Latency, speed. And how much time is taking to respond. That is called latency. Means I connected to the multiple data center. I ping to the data centers, how they are responding to me. Means I connected to them, how is giving the answer to me. How much time it's taking. That is called latency. Got the answer, Santosh, Ravi?
Yeah.
Yes.
Next question. Still we have 55 seconds. Go ahead.
And
Ravi, complete your question.
Yeah, my question is there any data centers are connected with any wires?
Yes, obviously. You and me are connected with wire.
It's wireless, right?
No, it's look
I'm
like
asking
wireless.
any two data centers.
See, it look like wireless, but in the real time, it's a wired connection. Okay, all the internet is connected with each other with the help of wired. That is a truth. Okay, one country from another country has been connected with each other with the help of wire. Okay, I can prove that. INTE, NET internet, CONNECTIVITY from sea. Okay, just see these images. Okay, or oceans. Okay, see, all are connected with wires. See here, you are able to see? Yes or no?
Hello?
Yes, all are connected with wires. Ravi, you got the answer? Or
no, my question. Yeah, every data center in any cloud company is
everything. See, yeah, everything who has an internet users are connected with wires. Yes, so data centers also connected with wires. Yes.
Okay.
See, Jio has created the submarine cable system, right? Just see this video, you will get the answer. Okay. See, like this wires are there. So, out of topic thing. Any other question? Any other question? If no, our time is also up. Okay. Let's come. Guys, I hope everyone is back. Quickly raise your hand and let me know. I need at least 5 to 7 persons are back. One, fast. Two, fast. Raise your hand. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At least reach by 10. Yes. No one is sleeping. Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cool. Yep. Cool. People are back. I'm fine. Guys, you can raise your hand down. Okay. Now, my requirement is very simple. I need a website with the help of cloud and DevOps technology. Okay. Because in a traditional way, it will take that much time, that much cost. With the help of cloud or DevOps technology, how much it will take. Let me explain you first in a theoretical way. Okay. The very first step I'm telling, go to any of the cloud provider, Google Cloud, AWS, Azure, Alibaba, IBM, any of the cloud. Create a virtual machine. Virtual machine is just a 5-click. Every cloud provider, it's just a 5-click. In AWS, we created some couple of seconds back. I will create into the Google Cloud. In the next 5-click, virtual machine will be ready. After that, I will install some software. Okay. The software I will install Docker because I want to create this as a containerized way, the way which are going to be used into the future. So I will take the help from the Docker and I will create it. I will download the website, means whatever the code has to be written. Okay. This thing a developer will do HTML, CSS, or whatever it is. I will download from the internet, which the developer has already written it. Okay. And I will run this thing with the help of web server into my virtual machine. And I will check in the step 6, I will check is this working or not. My first step, go to any of the cloud provider. I'm going to the cloud provider. I'm going to the console.cloud.google.com, means I'm going to the Google Cloud. Okay. I'm clicking here. What is my requirement? I need a virtual machine. I'm going to here compute engine, and inside that there is the option VM instance. I came to the home page of the virtual machine. At this point, I don't have any virtual machine up and running. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no? I don't have any virtual machine.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, cool. After that, as I told, I need 5 clicks to create a virtual machine. Yes, I will take only 5 clicks. Very first click, I'm clicking on here, create instance. Okay, in the create instance, I need a name. Can anyone please unmute and let me know your name, please?
Suman.
What's your name?
Suman.
Suman, S-U-M-A-N, 8th October. Okay, I'm giving a name Suman, 8th October. Wherever you want to create, just choose from here. Okay, I'm taking the default central one. Let's take it. Whatever the CPU memory size you want to take it, you can choose from here. Okay, you want a 0.2532 CPU, you want a 128 GB CPU, whatever you want, you can choose the category here. You can choose the 1 CPU, 4 GB RAM, or whatever you want. You can click here and you can choose it. I'm taking by default options only. Just till now, I just click one time, Suman. I provided the name. I'm taking all the default configurations. I'm taking all the default configuration here. I'm taking a my choice operating system, that is Ubuntu. I'm taking a Ubuntu operating system. I just click second time and I click on the Ubuntu. Third click I did. I'm taking a 10 GB machine. Okay. And Ubuntu, when I choose the Ubuntu, LTS option came. What do you mean by LTS? Can anyone give me the answer? What is LTS? What is the benefit of using the LTS?
Long-term support.
Correct. What do you mean by long-term support? Your answer is correct. What do you mean by, what is the benefit of using the LTS version?
It is a stable version, and Ubuntu keep providing the service like support for this version.
Correct.
For like next year.
Ubuntu will keep provide the support for the couple of years. Okay. If I will use version 20.4, Ubuntu is telling that this is a good version, stable version. All bugs are already fixed inside it. And I will help you out for the next 2 to 3 years if you are using this version. So in the production environment, whenever you are creating any of the machine, take as a LTS version. If you will take a very latest version, there may be chances it's not very stable. Within a month, Ubuntu is telling that upgrade yourself, then again it's a problem, right? So always choose the LTS version, long-term version. Okay. And I'm clicking on the select. This is my fourth click. Okay. I just selected this. I'm just allowing the traffic. Okay. I need an internet connection inside it. I'm just taking a traffic. Okay. That is already my 5th click. And this is my create. This is my 6th click. I did the 6th clicks. Okay. And my machine will be ready with the name Suman. It is roaming, means it is in creating state. It will take 35 to 40 seconds and my machine will be up. It's 12:17 at this point. 12:19, before 12:19, okay, before 12:19, 1 minute, okay, my machine will be up and running, will be my expectation. In 12:17 only my machine is up and running. Less than 30 seconds, my machine is up and running. It's in green color. Guys, is that okay? My machine is created into the Google Cloud with the 6th click. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone agree? Is machine creation is tough in Google Cloud or AWS? I created in both the cloud. One with Ravi name, one is Suman name. Is this tough?
No.
No, right?
No.
But if we don't know, it's very tough. Correct? Yes, no. If we don't know the things, it's very tough. Guys, in the AWS, in the Google Cloud, both are very same. There is no difference at all. Okay. But if you learn 2 clouds, if you have an idea of the 2 cloud, 5 lakh extra package will be in your pocket. That's it. Because you can say that I know multi-cloud, I know hybrid cloud, I can work into the Google Cloud, I can work into the AWS Cloud. That's a good point. That's a positive point. Okay, cool. My machine is up and running. Okay, now let's see the steps. Okay, I'm coming here. I'm taking all these steps into my notepad so that I can give it to you as well. Okay, I'm putting it here. My first, go to any of the cloud provider. I went to the Google Cloud. Okay, my first step is done. Guys, yes or no? My second step, create a virtual machine. I create a Ubuntu 220.4 LTS and I'm done with this machine. What is the name? Suman, SUMN, Suman. 8 October I created. This is also done. Guys, is this okay? Step 1 and step 2 I have done. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Any question in
Yes,
the step
sir.
1 or step 2? No question,
No.
right? Cool. Let's come to the step 3. Okay. Step 3, little bit technical thing, but let's say if you know the Linux, you can easily achieve all these things. Okay. Now, I've created the virtual machine. Now I want to connect to the virtual machine. Guys, this is a Google Cloud. How to go inside the virtual machine? Can you give me the answer, please? Can you give me the answer?
Connect.
Where is connect option?
I click that name.
Beside network tab.
Connect. Okay.
Using public IP.
Okay. I agree.
Down
Yes.
arrow.
Click on where I have to click.
Down arrow and
Guys, give the
Drop
proper
down.
answer, please.
First, you
Give
are
the
fresh
proper.
now, and
Drop down.
after the running and also connected.
Okay. Give a simple answer, guys. Everyone will able to understand.
The
Repeat it.
drop down.
Where is drop down? I click on the drop down. Okay. Then, guys, simple answer. Just click on this SSH. What is the full form of SSH? Can you give me the answer? What is SSH?
Simple secure shell.
Simple secure shell. What is the meaning of this? My second question. What is the meaning of this? Let me click on this. Okay. I just click here. It's try to connect it to that machine. Okay. It's transferring the SSH key. Google Cloud is very mature, very automated. It's transferring the key from my account. Automatically keys are getting generated. Public key, private key concepts are happening. Keys are copying from my environment. It is transferring into this machine. Okay. With the help of port number 22. What is port number 22? Give me the answer. What is port number 22?
SSH port.
It's a SSH port number. What is the use of port number 22? Technical question, interview question. What is the use of port number 22? If I want to go inside any of the machine, if the port 22 is allowed, gate number 22 is allowed, then only I can able to go inside the machine. Yes, I click on SSH and I landed into the machine, which is the name Suman 8 October. What is this? Vikas for Cloud. This is my name because I connected from my account. That's why my name has been copied automatically. My keys has been copied and my key has been moved into this machine automatically. How to connect to the machine into the Google Cloud? Just click on SSH. With the help of port number 22, public key, private key has been copied and it will be moved into the machine and I have landed into the machine. Is that okay till now?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now I'm running. This is Vikas user. Vikas user is just a normal user. I want some extra privileges. How to get it? Linux interview question. Now we are starting the Linux because Ubuntu is a Linux operating system. I already landed into the Linux machine. Linux question.
Sudo.
Sudo. What is
Using
sudo?
user, we can do that.
What is sudo? Yes, what is sudo?
Super do.
Super.
I mean,
Switching to root user.
we
Switching
get
to
the
root user.
privileges.
I'm just running the command sudo -i. At this point, I am Vikas user. I will be the root user. Now the interview question. What is root user? Freshers interview question. 2 lakh package. What is root user?
This is the user which is, do any kind of things like it will provide access to any kind of file. It will
It has a
Read
extra,
permissions.
it has a extra
Administrative
privilege.
permissions.
It can do.
Correct. It has a extra privileges. He can perform any of the operation activities, any of the activities inside this machine with the help of root user. That's it. Cool. I just run the sudo -i command and I become the root user. That's it. Okay. Now I'm going here and I'm running the 3 more commands. What is this command? Okay. Can anyone help me out? apt get update. What is the use of line number 45?
Yeah, so line number 45, the use of this is, suppose if we are creating VM with Ubuntu operating system. So if we write this command apt get update, it will give me all the updates related to that OS.
It will update the packages.
Correct. This answer is correct. Okay. I like Pratik answer. It will update all the packages. That's it. Okay. Raju, you are giving the answer. You are giving the very long answer. Interviewer is thinking that when you will give the accurate answer. Okay. I'm running this. And why we are running now? Second question. Why we have to run this question, command? Why? Why we have to update the packages? Guys, give the answer. Why we have to update the packages? Why we have to update your mobile phone operating system? Why we have to update your all the WhatsApp, all the applications timely? Why?
For getting new updates.
To get a new updates, that's it. If you created a machine, the machine should be updated. It should be vulnerable free. It's a good practice. Okay. And we just have to follow the good practice. Yes, I am following the good practice. I'm running the apt get update command. All the packages, whatever is required, will be updated into this machine. Okay. Around 28.9 MBs, this much data, this many security related, vulnerability related packages will get upgraded in this machine, and it's done. Now, second question. Second thing, my requirement is I need a Docker. How to get a Docker? If you don't know the command, leave it. Let's assume you are non-technical person, you don't know the Docker command. You can just run the command docker-v, okay, or just type Docker, DOCKER, okay. Just type Docker. You need a Docker. Just type Docker. Docker is not available. He is giving error. Command Docker not found. Docker is not installed. You can install the Docker. The beauty of Linux or beauty of Ubuntu operating system, he is giving the command apt install docker.io and 24.05 version of Docker will get installed in your machine. You got it? I just typed Docker. It was a wrong thing. He given the command Docker is not available. You can install with the help of this commands. Okay. I am also taking the same thing. apt install docker.io and Docker will get installed in this machine. It is asking that it's of 267 MB. Do you want to install? I'm telling yes, I want to install, and I'm pressing enter. It will take a couple of seconds and Docker will be installed in my machine. 19% has been installed. 25%, 40%, okay. 78%, 84%, 95%, 97%. And yes, Docker has been installed in my machine. Now, if any software has been installed, how to verify it? With the help of docker-v, because I want to check the version of Docker. I'm running the docker-v version, and it is telling Docker 24.0 version has been installed in this machine. Is this good till now? Done. Any question here?
No.
At least ask one question. I am expecting one question. Why you are installing Docker? What is the use of Docker? We don't know Docker.
That's
right?
what I was about to ask.
Right? Yeah. Simple question
Yes.
answer. Okay, simple answer. If you don't know Docker, it's a DevOps tool. I want to run as a container. I want to teach you the future. That's why I'm using the software Docker. That's it. Okay. I want to run a container. Okay. It's a container development software. CONTAINER. That's why I'm using the help. I'm taking the help from the Docker software and I install the Docker software into this machine. That's it. If you don't know container, yes, I have to explain you again. Okay. I will explain you in the classes. Okay. Cool. Now, next thing, I have an infra ready. Now my infra is ready. Now the time to take the code. I am going into any of the external website. Okay, here. And guys, it's a high time. Choose any of the flavor or any of the what we can say free templates. Okay, the code. Choose any of the code, whatever you like. Tell me, Neogym, Calivia, Enhance, Doctor, Halt, Listeria, or any of the options out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Out of 12 option, you can choose any of the option. Please, fast. Which website you want to make? I feel this is good. Phenoxo, Sparring. Guys, tell me the number. Guys, tell me the number between 1 to 12. Any number. Yes.
5.
5. Okay.
5.
5. This one. This one.
No, sir.
5 is this
Maybe.
one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5.
5.
5. Okay, chalo. If the more votes came for the 5, I'm creating this website in front of you. This jewelry website I'm creating in front of you. Okay. So I want to download the code. How to download the code in Windows? How to download the code in Windows? Just click here. The code or website will be downloaded. Correct? Yes or no? Hartel free website has been downloaded, which is of 192 MB, 1.92 KB. Right? Now, if you want to download this into the Linux machine, tell me the answers, guys. Technical person, give me the answer. How to download this code into the Linux machine?
Yeah, so there is one command, we call it that
Copy the
wget
URL and use the wget command.
Very
or
good.
git clone.
Git clone, it's not a git. That's why the git clone is the wrong answer. Wget is the correct answer. Okay. I'm taking the link, copy link address. I'm going to my machine. Okay. And I'm running the command wget and I'm giving this URL. Free CSS template download page to Hattel zip file, and I press enter. As soon as I press enter, 10%, 100% has been downloaded. With the ls command, I can see yes, heartlet.zip file has been downloaded in my machine. How to download it? With the help of wget command. That's it. Now it's a zip file. Guys, if it's in Windows machine, if it's a zip file, one second.
We have
Wait. This is a zip file. How to unzip it in Windows? This is a zip file which is of 1.94 MB. How to unzip it in Windows? Simple question.
Right click and extract.
Right click and either I have to take the help from the extract all or 7-zip software, and I can click on extract, and it will take some couple of seconds, and the zip file heartlet.html has been opened. Correct? This is way we can unzip it in Windows. Let's do the same thing in Linux also. Okay. This thing can be achieved with the help of command. Let me show you the command. Okay. Wget, with the help of wget, we can download it. Or with the help of unzip command, we can unzip it. I'm just typing the command unzip, unzip, because I want to unzip which file. I want to unzip this file. Okay, I'm just unzipping it and I'm pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, again I get one error. Guys, I need a help from you. I get error, unzip software is not available in my this Linux machine. Correct? Yes or no? Unzip software is not available in my this Linux machine. How to install it? Linux is very smart. He is giving the command to me. It is not available. Run this command apt install unzip, and software will get installed in your machine. Okay, and it's done. Now, can I rerun this command? Unzip heartlet.zip file. Can I do it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I'm just pressing enter. As soon as I press, it's unzipped. With the help of ls command, you can see heartlet-html has been available here. Here also it's same. In the Windows, in the Linux, both are same. Correct? Agree?
Yes.
Cool. Now, if I have unzipped it, I have done the step 4 also. Download the code and unzip it. I downloaded the code from this website and I have unzipped it. That's it. Okay. Now step 5 is telling with the help of Docker tool. Guys, this is very important, very critical, very tricky part. Okay. Now, before that, let's check it in our machine, in our virtual machine, how this thing will be accessible over the internet with the help of external IP. Can anyone give me the technical answer? What is internal IP? What is external IP? Can you please explain to me? Praveen, if you are not talking with me, raise your hand down. Bhuvika, raise your hand down. What is the difference?
External IP, that means that is publicly exposed.
Correct. It is publicly
And
available.
internal IP that is assigned to the devices that is connected to the private network.
Very good. If I want to talk only inside the GCP, I can talk with the internal IP. If I want to talk external to the internet, okay, or with the help of internet, if I want to talk with the help of that external IP, I can connect. I copy the external IP and I'm just putting here and I'm pressing enter. Is at this point anything working on this IP? Let's guys, you can also verify it. I'm just giving you this IP. Okay, let's verify anything is working. I just given you the URL. Okay, can you check it? Anything is working on the 34.68.160.4 IP? Can you check quickly? For me, nothing is working.
No, not.
No, it's not working, right? Cool. If it's not working, because definitely nothing is working in the virtual machine at this point. Okay, so now the time came with the help of this command, with the help of Docker command, I'm doing it. Okay, so what I will do, what you want to run? PWD. What is PWD command?
Present working
directory.
Yes, my present working directory is root. Inside a root, the heartlet.html is a folder where the code is available, right? So I'm just copying this location and I'm just putting it here. Okay, in the root location, here is the folder where the things are available and it should run on port 80. I given one more URL. I given one more URL, guys, to you. Just check it on port 80. Anything is running double column 80. I'm just checking it. On the port 80 also, nothing is running. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I am taking the help from the Docker. Okay. I am taking the help from the Nginx. What is Nginx?
It is a web server.
Web server. Correct, because someone told earlier that we need a web server, right? Yes, we need a web server. I'm taking the help from the Nginx web server and I'm just running this command. Let me run this command and I will give an opportunity to ask the question. Okay, guys, can I run this command? Can I press enter?
Yes.
As soon as I'm pressing
I think we need to install Nginx.
No, that's a Docker work. Docker will do that part. We don't have to do anything. Docker is very smart. Mali, you have a lot of background noise. Mali, I'm keeping you mute. You have a lots of background noise. Please don't unmute yourself. Okay, sorry. Okay, and I'm just pressing enter. As soon as I press enter, okay, as soon as I press enter, okay, now Nginx is getting downloaded. It is extracting it. All the work will be done. Okay, all the work has been done. And let's go here. Let's go to the URL. Guys, check it. Anything is working for you? For me, yes, something is working. Is anything working for you? Check it quickly. Yes, no, please. Fast. Unmute and tell me, please. Akash, Alka, Ankur.
Just wait, I'm still checking.
Okay, still checking. Yes, that is also
It's
okay.
working.
It's working. What is working?
Yes, sir.
Website is
sir.
working.
Website is working. Okay, cool. Some features are working. Shop now. Yes, some options are working. Some things are working.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, website
Yes,
is
sir.
working. Yes, cool. If the website is working, that's a good, right? That's a good part. This is what we want to achieve it. With the help of 5 steps, with the help of 45 days duration. No, man, it's a 5-minute duration. Okay, or max 10 minutes. 10 minutes with zero investment. Okay, zero investment. My website is up and running. Correct? These logics are getting failed nowadays. Agree?
Yes, sir.
How come these all things are possible? Because of the power of cloud, power of DevOps tool, and we have a knowledge. That's why we are able to achieve this thing in couple of seconds. Got it? Arey, yes, no, please.
Yes, yes.
Sir, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Cool, good. Okay, so what I want to say that if we have a knowledge, if we know the cloud, if we know the DevOps tool, here it's a combination. Okay, let's go to the PPT again. I'm here. Okay, in here it's a combination, means if you have a knowledge, if you know how to use a cloud, if you know how to use a DevOps tool, then you can achieve the thing very quickly. Simplest. Okay, if without cloud knowledge, the infra will be very difficult. Without DevOps knowledge, implementation will be very difficult. If you have a cloud plus DevOps knowledge, you can, or companies, ITs are able to achieve the thing very quickly. That's the power of cloud and DevOps. Clear? Are you guys agree? Yes or no?
Yes.
Any question in
Sir.
this, any of
Yes,
this
sir.
out of this 5 step or 6 step? Any question, please feel free to ask. Please ask any question in any of the steps.
Yeah, what is the use of that -ti?
-ti or -it is the same thing. Interactive mode. IT means interactive mode. Means I don't want to talk with him. Okay, directly come out. As soon as your work done, come out in the terminal. That is called IT. I will explain you one by one in the Docker classes. Okay. Yep. Any other question?
Sir, how much Linux required, sir?
How much Linux required? Whatever I will teach is more than enough. Is that fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because I need 1 week of your time, okay, to teach you all these Linux related things. Okay, here is the Linux related thing. I need 1 week of time. I will teach you all these things. Cool. I
Yes,
will
sir.
make you the expert into the Linux if you will give 1 week time. That's it. I will make a technical person to you. Okay, cool. Chalo, fine. Okay, let's go more deeper into it as per the agenda, as per the technical things. Okay. Now, what we did, we have taken the virtual machine, we have taken the operating system, we have installed the Docker, we have taken the web server, and we have taken the code. With the help of this 5 things, my website has been ready. Yes or no? Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
With the help of this 5 things, if we will distribute into multiple parts, okay, let's distribute this into the cloud services technology. At this point, if I'm taking something, if I'm taking the infrastructure, okay, if I'm taking the virtual machine, that is, I'm taking the infrastructure from the Google Cloud. I created my own platform. I installed the Docker. I created my own platform. I build the things. For you guys, you are directly using it. You guys are directly using this website. Yes or no? You don't have the infra. You don't have the platform. You are directly the end user. Correct? Means you are taking the services from whatever the name or whatever whoever has developed it, you are taking the services from them. Agree? Yes, no.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Right? That is called you are taking as a software as a service. You are the end user. If you are developing it, you are building it, you are using the platform as a service. If you are taking only infra, moving the things, installation is doing, then we can call as a infrastructure as a service. In simple language, if you are taking an unfurnished flat, okay, the virtual machine I took, that is a unfurnished flat. After that, in the virtual machine, I install a Docker, I install Nginx, I made it semi-furnished. As soon as I made it semi-furnished, I made it as a platform, as a service. If everything is ready-made available, okay, you have to directly use it. That is either PG or either someone is providing the ready-made things to you. That is called software as a service. There are some simple examples also available for this as well. We will go more deeper into it. Okay, no need to worry. We will go more deeper into it, but we have to understand this all things. Okay, to understand this part means networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system, middleware, runtime, data, application. We have to learn all these things. We have to understand this all things to understand that all things as well. Okay. Anyone heard about the serverless concept? Anyone here? Serverless. What is serverless? Anyone in this group heard? No. No one heard about serverless?
I heard.
Ashwini?
No.
Okay. The serverless is, it's not hosted somewhere. Okay. You will not get to know also where these machines are available, but it will help you out. It will give the details to you. Means if you need something, you can just book the environment or you can use it. You don't have to worry. Everything has to be taken care by own. You can just, as a housekeeping service, you can take any of the service. Like in the hotel, you don't have to worry about the infrastructure. You don't have to worry about the thing. Just pay the rent and use it. That is called serverless concept. None of the things physically available for you. None of the things you will not get to know also, that where the things, what the things, how much is the thing. It is required. Tomorrow, let us assume you need one server, you need two servers, you need 5 servers. You can just request to them and they will provide it to you. Ready-made, everything is available. Like that is called serverless. Physically, it is not hosted somewhere. That is called serverless concept. Guys, nowadays, earlier 5 years till now, we are using this all things. But in the future, you will see this all things as well into the market in the IT company. Okay. So I will teach you the serverless concepts also in my classes. Okay. Plus, this all things everyone knows. Infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, software as a service. If you want to become extraordinary, little bit better things, then definitely you have to be aware about this all things as well. Anyone knows the full form of CAS? CAAS. Go ahead,
No.
go ahead. No one out of 40 students. Can you repeat, Santosh?
Software
Okay.
service.
Container as a service. Okay, what is the example? Give me the example, please. Guys,
Just now we created one site. One container.
Docker containers.
just now we have already did container as a service. Guys, anyone here who can prove that I am running as a container? Give me the answer. How to prove it? Please, I need one command. That's
Docker.
Docker, then some students don't have the good internet also. I need only one command.
Docker PS.
Docker Docker PS. Okay. If I will run this command, yes, it is running from the last 9 minutes and it is running as a container. Means I will teach you this CAAS logic also, container as a service. That is called Docker and Kubernetes. Okay. That is the future. I created this application with the help of Docker and Docker. So I can say that yes, with the help of Docker PS command, yes, this application is up and running from the last 9 minutes. Okay, cool. Anyone heard about FAS? None of the interview, no one is asking, but I will teach you FAS as well, function as a service. Okay, we will discuss deeply into our classes, no need to worry. Okay, and guys, I'm giving you this theory for software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. And at this point, AWS cloud is widely usable into the market. Okay, and Azure is also usable at this point. Applications are running. Most of the .NET based application or Microsoft level applications are using on the Azure cloud. In the AWS, yes, every variety of applications are running on the AWS cloud. But in the Google cloud, if you will see, the experiments are happening more into the Google cloud. So there may be chances in future Google cloud uses will be higher than Azure or AWS, because experiments, people are adoption ratio of Google cloud is higher as compared to AWS or as compared to Azure. So in future, this may become the leader as well. But at this point, currently the leader is AWS for using the application into the cloud. Are you agree with my point? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'm going more deeper into it. For every cloud, yes, AWS, Azure or Google Cloud, all the services are very similar. Okay. Like in AWS, I created one machine. Like in Google Cloud, I created one machine. Okay. Things are very similar, only the names are little bit different. Okay. So if we will understand the names, if we will understand the one cloud, definitely you can use the another cloud very easily. Okay, so what I want to say you, if you know how to drive a car, you can drive the another variety or another company car also. If you know how to use a Lenovo laptop, if you know how to use a Dell laptop, if you know how to use a Windows, you can use any of the laptops. So in simple short, if you know AWS, you can work in Azure, you can work in Google Cloud. If you know Azure, you can easily work into AWS or you can work into the Google Cloud as well. Any question for this part?
Okay.
This is just a service comparison. Okay, this is just a service comparison which we will learn into AWS and we will compare into the Azure and Google Cloud on a high level. Okay, so what I want to say that if you learn with me, okay, single cloud, you can work in any of the cloud, practically possible. Okay, because I will tell you, one time I get an opportunity to work into the Oracle cloud. It's 4 years back. Okay, or yeah, before COVID, I get a one project which is on Oracle cloud. Okay, that time I was not aware about Oracle cloud, but I have a good exposure into the AWS and Google cloud. So my manager or my architect told that if you know AWS or Google cloud, you can easily work into the Oracle cloud as well. When I explore it, I get to know that Oracle cloud is 100% same as AWS and Google cloud. There is no difference at all. Just little bit names are different. Rest everything is very same. Okay. Guys, are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Yep. And this is just a comparison on a high level for AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. If you learn any of the cloud, you can easily work into the another cloud as well. Just we have to understand how the comparison works. That's it. Okay. Yep. Guys, feel free to ask questions because I haven't went much deeper into the cloud computing because it's practically not possible in one day. But yeah, I would like to go more deeper into my classes as well to the more deeper into the cloud computing. Cool. Any question related to the cloud computing or any question what we did a practical? Have you understood this practical? Yes, no?
Yes.
I don't need yes, I need a questions. I need your interaction.
Yes, sir. I have one question.
Go ahead, Subhash. Yes, good. What is the question?
Sir, like if we take an example of Google Cloud, so if a normal user is just trying to access Google Cloud, so how much cost or subscription required? Like
Zero.
if I want to
It's
create
a
a
zero.
virtual machine in a Google Cloud.
For learning purpose, it's zero. If you are using on a what we can say production environment in a company, then it's a chargeable. For learning purpose, everything is free. Because they want encourage students to learn the cloud. AWS is free for the 1 year. Google Cloud is free for the next 3 months. Completely free. You can learn whatever you want to do into the Google Cloud for the 3 months completely free. They will not charge anything. And I will teach you how to create a Google Cloud account. I will teach you how to create a AWS account as well.
Yes. Is there any limitations to access that AWS and Google Cloud?
Obviously there is a limitations, okay, but its limitation will be beyond your expectation. Okay, if you are a learner, you don't have to worry for that part. But there is a
Okay.
free tier option available. You have to be inside the free tier category. Okay. That's it.
Yes.
Yep. In simple, let's go here. Okay. AWS FRE free tier. If you will just search here, okay, and yeah, you can go here. Whatever is free, how much it is free, it's available written here. AWS free tier, okay, it is telling it's a free trial available, okay, for the next 12 months. It's free, okay, and it will be always free. If you will less use, if you will not use, it's always free. How much it is free for EC2 machine? If you will run for 750 hours per month, it is free. Means completely 1 month or completely 1 year. If you will run the machine, it's free of cost. 5 GB for this thing, 750 hours for this thing, 25 GB for this thing. If you are into the limit, it's free of cost. Okay.
750 hours per each machine or
per
totally?
month, for every machine per month.
Okay.
For every machine, if you will run 10 machines, it will be get calculated as a 750 hours only. And whatever I will teach you, everything inside a free tier. You don't have to worry for that. But from my side, no bill will come to you. We will create a free tier account for the 12 months and we will learn from here itself. Make sense? Yes, no.
Yes, we go.
Cool.
Yes, sir.
Now, second part. Okay, technical things. Now I have to take you a little bit about the Linux as well. Okay, are you ready for the Linux?
Yes, we go.
Yes.
Okay. So let's take the one small topic for the Linux. Okay, I'm going to my PPT of Linux. Where it is. Yes, here. Okay, I'm coming here. I want to teach the Linux to make a DevOps or to make a technical person, or I want to teach you the Linux administration activities for the DevOps engineers. Okay. Cool. Let's come down. What are things we have to understand? I will start the thing with the help of operating system. What is operating system? What is Linux? Why Linux is very popular? Why it is open source? And if it's open source, what is the benefit? We will compare the Linux and Windows. We will compare Linux and Unix. I will teach you the structure, the file structure of Linux and Unix. I will teach you the multiple ways how to create a Linux. I will teach you the 5 ways. At this point, this is the first one way, right? To create a machine, right? This is the one way only. Click here, take the help from the cloud provider and create it. This is a one way. I will teach you the multiple ways, 5 ways to create a Linux machine. Okay. I will teach you the file structure as well. I will teach you 50 or more than 50 plus Linux command, and I will help you out how to play with the Linux so that you will be very comfortable into the Linux. After learning the Linux, after 2 weeks, okay, means this all things we will learn into the 1 week of duration. Okay, this in the Linux duration. After that, we will learn the shell script also. Means shell script means here is the day 46 where we will do the bash scripting and shell scripting related things into the Linux only. Okay, chalo, let's come and let's see on a high level what exactly it is. I'm just closing unnecessary tabs. Okay, yeah. If I will ask the question, very simple question, what is operating system? Can anyone give me the answer? What is operating system? Simplest interview question. What is operating system? This is one of the topic or subject in the engineering. 7 semester, one topic or one what we can say, one semester, one topic is operating system. Go ahead. What is operating system? Guys, give me the answer. What is operating system?
Operating systems can be defined.
I haven't understood. Can you repeat?
Operating systems can be defined as a platform on a computer system that allows programs and applications to run efficiently.
Okay, I agree with your point. But in simple language, okay, let me explain.
It is a user interface between, it is an interface between user and the machine.
Correct, absolutely agree. Okay, see, in my machine, there are so many applications are running. Chrome, Zoom, these all applications are running over the operating system. This all applications is consuming my hardware resources, CPU, memory, disk, network, right? How this hardware is getting utilized by this application, okay? It is a middleware software, or we can say middleware software between hardware and any of the application, that is called operating system. Means operating system will allow us or allow this application to consume the hardware and provide the application to the end user. That is the work of the operating system. In simple definition, operating system is a system software that manage computer hardware, software, resources, applications by the own for the computer programs, that is called operating system. Okay. When I'm going more deeper into it, Linux is one of the operating system. Simplest answer. When I'm talking about the definition of Linux, Linux is a open source and community developed operating system. Now the very good keyword came into the picture, open source. Can anyone explain me what is open source? What do you mean by open source? What do you mean by open?
Something that is publicly available.
Okay, correct. The code itself is available over the internet. That is called open source. Now the next question will come. If it's available over the internet, where over the internet? Can anyone tell me the location or any hint?
Like the GitHub.
IP address.
IP address, no.
Repository, sir.
It's in repository. Which
In
repository?
some public repository.
It's in public repository.
Public
Okay.
repository.
Where the public repository has to be get created?
In
The
GitHub,
developers,
sir,
the
most
developers
famous.
storage.
In the
The developers,
correct.
yes, the developer stage of platform or
Correct.
websites.
I agree. Developers are keeping that into their local system and they are pushing into some public repositories. Okay. That is called open source repository. All the open source repositories are available into the GitHub. When I'm talking about the GitHub, in the GitHub, repositories are there. If you will take an example for operating systems, there are this many operating systems openly available for the Linux flavor. Means Ninefront, Echo OS, AR OS, Bone OS, Bottle Rocket OS. These are the operating systems which are available, which their codes also available over the internet. Okay, let's come down. Let's come little bit down. Popular operating system category. There is a one category name coming as where is the Linux? Here, Linux kernel means the Linux operating system code is also available here. If I'm talking about the Linux operating system code, it is publicly available over the internet. Next interview question. The Linux is a code in which language it has been written. Can anyone give me the answer?
C, sir.
C. How much percentage it is written into the C language?
C language.
Yes. How much is percentage in the C language?
खाएंगे जब
How
से
much?
नाश्ता करे सो
Shakil, mute yourself. How much percentage it's written into the C language? Can anyone give me the answer?
%98.2%, sir.
Yes, answer is available here. 98.2% is written into the C language, 0.8 into the assembly language, 0.4 into the shell language, 0.02 into the Makefile, 0.02 into the Python language. Means if it's a code, 98.2% has been available into the C language. Cool. Now, next interview question. This many time the commit happen. How many developers has written this code? How many developers has written this Linux code? Basic freshers interview questions. Go ahead, give me the answer. Because I told Linux is the open source, means the code available over the internet. Yes, I proved my first line. Second line, it's a community developed. What do you mean by community? Group of people, correct? Or individual contributors. That is called community. If it's developed by the community, how many community people has written the code of Linux? Give me the answer.
Like 50.6K, sir.
50.6K. Where you are reading this answer?
The Fox, sir.
No. Fork is a different thing. Wrong answer. Guys, the answer is little bit down. It is telling that 14,643 developers, community people or contributors has written the code of Linux language. All answers are available into this place. We have to understand. Okay. Simple language, 14,000 developers has written the Linux code into the C language. I prove my both the lines. Linux is an open source community developed operating system. It uses for the computer, it uses for the servers, it uses for the mainframe, it uses for the mobile phones, it uses for the embedded devices, it supports every hardware. It supports Intel, it supports ARM, and it supports different varieties of hardware as well. That is Linux. Okay. Now, if I will go more deeper into it, the next question, why Linux is very popular? Linux is very popular because it's free of cost available into the market. You don't have to pay any rent. You don't have to pay any charges. Linux is very popular because it's open source. You can download the code. If the code is available here, guys, how to download the code? Technical interview question. How to download this code from the GitHub?
We can use git clone command, or we can simply click on the code button or download the zip file.
If you will click on here and if you will download the zip file. Okay. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Subhash, if you will give this answer into the interview will say that you are not a technical person. I need a technical answer. How to download this code? This is an option. It is a fresher level option. I need little bit technical answer. Go ahead.
We can force the code.
Very bad answer. No. My requirement is I want to download the code. My requirement is I want to download this Linux code in my local machine. Tell me the approach. Guys, give it fast. Don't delay.
Use WinSCP.
My God, man, no. No, WinSCP is not for this thing. Download option, I don't like it. Okay. I need an option which is git clone. Okay. Now, what is git clone? Can anyone tell me? I'm creating a new test. Okay. I'm creating a new folder. 8 October. I'm going inside it and I'm running opening the git bash here. I will teach you everything. You don't have to worry. Okay. And I'm just making the font bigger and I'm running the command git clone. Sir, I don't know Git. I will teach you Git. You don't have to worry. Sir, when you will teach? I will teach you the Git on these days. Okay. The day number 23, 21, 22, 23, the Git will come into the picture. I will teach you everything. You don't have to worry because my responsibility, I want to make a technical person. Now git clone and I have to provide the URL. I'm just providing the URL. At this point, this folder is empty. Yes or no? 8 October folder is empty. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Right? As soon as I'm pressing enter, okay, cloning into the Linux and the Linux code is getting downloaded. Okay, it will take based on your internet speed, based on the size, and the code will be downloaded in my machine. Okay, you can see here 4% has been downloaded, 5% has been downloaded, 5%, 6% has been downloaded. Out of this many files, the code is getting downloaded in my machine. Now, what is the next step? Let us assume you are a developer. Don't think that you are a non-tech person. You are a developer. What you will do with this code? What is your next step? Guys, always think the next step. If you have a code, what is the next step? What you will do with this code?
Understand and modify as per our requirement.
Correct. Understand and modify. To understand that, you have to open with some tool, right? Which tool? Visual Studio Code. Okay, here is a Visual Studio Code tool. You will just click here and the code will be open in front of you. You can just understand. If you have a programming knowledge, technical knowledge, you can open this code. Okay, you can open this code, you can see the code, and if you want to do any changes, do the changes and create your own operating system. Like this, many operating systems are already available. You can create your own operating system with your name as well. Got it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Everyone agree? Guys, I need an introduction. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
What about others? Girish, you are able to understand? Ashwini, Ashok, Imran,
Yes, sir.
Monica, Neha, Pratik.
Yes, speaker.
Cool. Good.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Okay. When I'm going more deeper into it, okay, I'm telling some benefits of Linux, which is free, open source. Linux is very secure as compared to Windows. The stability or the performance of Linux is very good as compared to any other operating system. That's why it is using in all the different servers, companies, ITs, or applications are running on the Linux environment. The major reason is it's very stable, the performance wise is very good, it's securely available, or it's very secure as compared to other operating system. That's why Linux become very popular. Have you get the answer? Why Linux is very popular? Why we have to learn the Linux? Why companies are using the Linux? Why all servers or applications are running on the Linux environment? You get the answer, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Only one or two. Yes, I don't like it. Cool. Guys, Linux is very vast. Okay. I want to compare Windows Linux. I will give a difference. Okay. I will teach you multiple ways how to use the Linux. Okay. I have to teach you which one is the most popular Linux, which one we have to learn, which one is using into the company, what is the Linux distribution, Linux versus Unix, comparison of Linux and Unix, Linux file system, Unix file system. Then I will teach you the Linux commands. I will teach you some more Linux command. I will teach you some system administration or monitoring related Linux command. I will teach you the user related Linux operating system commands. I will teach you the networking related Linux operating system commands. I will teach you the keygens, how the public key, private key has to be generated, has to be get transferred, how to use it. Because as soon as you will join any of the company, very first day, your technical lead will say, give me your key, so that he can provide you the access. If you will not able to provide give the key, he will understand you don't have any knowledge. So I will make you ready for from the day one to work into the MNC. You will run this SSH keygen command, you will generate the key and you will give it to your lead or your manager to get the server access. Without this keygen, you will not get any access from your any of your company servers. Okay, I will teach you, I will do everything in front of you. Okay, I will teach you how to connect to any of the machine with the help of SSH option. Okay, this option is very similar. If I will click on this SSH, it's worked, but how in the backend it is working, I will explain you all these things. Okay, here to in the UI we just click here and it has been connected, this SSH. But in the real time or in the technical, in the backend, what all things happen? This all things happen. Okay, I will teach you all these things in a technical way into the Linux classes. I will teach you the VI editor, how the VI editor works. What are things, shortcuts, commands in the real time, how VI editor has to be used. I will teach you the file permissions. I will teach you the yum, apt. I will give the comparison. I will give you the Ubuntu, apt, Fedora, yum, Windows, PowerShell, Brew, Micro, MS of Mac OS related different environment and comparisons. Okay, I will teach you the cron job. I will teach you the basics Unix command. I will teach you the Dix related commands. I will teach you the HTTP response related commands. Lot of scenarios I will teach to you. I will teach you the Linux boot up process. I will teach you the how the boot up happen into the Linux. I will teach you some shell scripting Linux command. I will teach you the hardware related Linux commands or hardware related things into the Linux classes. For that, I need a 1 week time to teach you all these things. Practically in one day, it's not possible. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
If I
Yes.
will teach everything in one day, you will not able to remember, you will not able to digest also. Correct?
Yes, sir. It's
Yes,
required
it
daily
is.
practice.
Is required daily practice. So we have a Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. IST regular batch, which I am starting from 11th of October, and you all are welcome to become a cloud and DevOps engineer with my group or with my batch 32 group. Okay. So here is the basic detail. Okay. 11 October, Wednesday, we are starting a new batch. It's Monday to Friday, and we will follow this syllabus from a day 1 to day 55, everything in a order. Okay. And I will be the primary trainer, I will be the primary mentor who will guide you, who will teach you all these things. Same way, my camera will be always up, recordings, PPT, whatever you are thinking, everything we will provide it to you. If you miss any of my classes with any of the reason, you can come to my next batch also free of cost. We will not charge anything for the next batch as well. Okay. And no coding, no prior knowledge, nothing required. It's my responsibility. I will teach you everything from the very basic. And in short, guys, anyone can become a cloud and DevOps engineer, and I can make you the cloud and DevOps engineer in the next 2.5 months or in the 3 months of duration. Guys, you are feel free to ask any question, whatever you have. How was the today's class? Able to understand?
Hi, because
Yep, Iman.
yeah, I think I find today's class a bit techy. I need to go over it. I think if I have like the PPT, I need to know, be able to do it on my own. All the steps you took to make the website, and I need to be able to do it on my own.
Definitely, you have to do all the practicals to become a technical person, and I will be help you out. You don't have to. Today is a wider session, okay? When we will learn everything in a small part, the digestion will be good, and I will help you out how to do it, because we have to first create an account. Without creating an account, you can't do the practicals, right? Agree with my point? Yes or
Okay.
no? Right? So I
Okay,
need
so
little
how do we
bit
create? When do we create the accounts?
I have to teach you how to create accounts, okay? Which I can't teach at this point because it's required a credit card, it's required a account creation steps. Okay,
Oh,
it's a half an hour process. Okay.
okay.
And I will teach you from Monday. Okay, no worries. From the next Wednesday, from this Wednesday, we are starting. So you will learn every day something, and next Monday, definitely the account will get created for you. Okay. Is that fine?
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Yes, that's fine.
Yep.
Hello,
Yep.
sir. Do we need means how much basic coding language is needed to
Nothing,
learn this?
zero, nothing, zero. You don't require any prior knowledge. I will give you all the knowledge. Okay. If you are a zero knowledge person, you are coming for me for the learning purpose. I will teach you everything.
So much of coding is required for this.
Who told?
For
Who told?
DevOps?
Who told? Coding is
Yeah, it's
required, then
my
what?
question.
No. If coding is required, then what developers will do? Developer work is a coding work. Okay.
Okay.
We are a
Okay.
DevOps engineers. Our work is technical tools with the play with the tools, and I'm playing with the tools. We will play with the tools.
Mostly like functional. That's what you mean.
Functional. Yes, functional. Technical tools with the help of commands will be there, which I will teach to you. Coding is not required.
And Java, Python.
No,
Java,
no.
Python not required.
If you will learn Java, Python, what developer will do? If you know Java, Python, you can become a developer also. Correct? Don't
Yes.
take the developer job, please. Okay.
Okay.
Developers are not able to do the coding. That's why they are coming into the cloud and DevOps. And why you are going to the
Okay.
development role?
Okay.
Yep. What else? Next
And
question.
what is the fees for?
Okay, very good question. Okay, the fees, if you want to become a cloud or DevOps engineer, yes, I'm going to teach you all these things. What all things? I'm going to teach you the AWS. I'm going to teach you the Google Cloud. I'm going to teach you the CI/CD. I'm going to teach you the multiple projects. I'm going to teach you, I'm providing the training certificate. We are taking your unlimited mock interviews. Okay, it's not a webinar. It's not a recorded session. Everything is live. we are teaching you some extra topic. If you feel that you want to learn something extra things also, you can feel free, let us know on the day 45. It's already mentioned into the syllabus. Day 45, whatever extra topic you want to learn, you can let me know. I will teach you the extra topic as well. It can be Splunk, it can be ML, it can be AWS, it can be migration, it can be Rancher, it can be Azure, whatever you want. You can choose the topic. I will help you. I will teach you that thing as well. And I will teach you, I will create your resume. We will help you out with the Naukri profile optimization so that you will get a lot of calls. If you will go to any other institute, anywhere, minimum to minimum, they will charge you 65,000 rupees for this whole thing. Are you agree with my point?
Yes, sir.
Ankur, Ashu, Bharat, Girish, Harshita. Are yes, no, please.
Yes, sir.
Right? If you will go to any other institute, they will charge you 65, but we are providing everything for the 2 batches in 25,000 rupees only. Okay. And if you will join by this weekend into my batch, you can ask some extra discount with the HR as well. Okay. 2 to 3,000 rupees, they will give you extra discount. Okay. For the 2 batch, not for the 1 batch. For the 2 batches, you will able to get this into the 22,000 rupees. And you will get all these things, whatever we are showing into the image. Everything is very transparently available into my syllabus box. You can see we will complete everything one by one. Whatever the topic we will complete, we will just make it green that we have completed this part. Whatever is not complete, we can just keep it on a red, or we can keep it on the white side. We will complete and we will make it into the green. Make sense? Yes or no?
Okay, Vikas, that was a great session. Thank you very much for taking time out to explain in details. It's a long journey, but you were able to compress it to something pretty short.
See, you can think in that way. We can't make a cloud or DevOps engineer in one day or over the weekend, right? Right. It's practically not possible. So it's a journey which I can compress and I can show over the weekend. Okay. But over the weekend, I can't make you the cloud or DevOps engineer. Okay.
Right. But I have question regarding 2 things. Number one, about the training certificate. Is it just about certificate of attendance? Is that what it is?
Yes. It's a training certificate that you are the technical person. We are writing and give it to that you did the training and you are a technical person. You can mention, you can take it 3 months or 6 months certificate from us and we will get it verified as well. It's just a training certificate that you are a technical person.
All right, then there's another question.
The benefit, I will tell you the benefit of taking this certificate. Okay. If you have any gap, you are completely non-technical, you can use this training certificate, write it into your resume. Okay. You can write as an internship, whatever you want, and you can take the benefit of this certificate. Make sense?
All right. Yes, the next one is this skill set that you're providing for us, this knowledge that we're giving to us about DevOps.
Cloud and DevOps. Cloud and DevOps both.
Yes, Cloud and DevOps. So does it mean that we can use this skill to write exams? For example, right now, AW exam. Can we use this skill that we are teaching us? Or the skill is just a hands-on for production, not to pass certification?
You can feel free to write the exams. Let me give you the details for that as well. Okay. Yeah. You are absolutely free to write the exam. With my course, I am covering 100% of the AWS cloud fundamentals. Plus, I will cover up the associate as well as some on the professional level solution architect syllabus or topics as well. Okay. But my suggestion is, if you don't have any much thing, you can feel free to write the cloud practitioner exam within the next 3 months. And after 6 months, you can write the cloud professional or architect solution as well. Does that make sense?
Yes, I'm trying to understand. So you said that after the 3 months, After
within
the
3 months,
of
within 3 months, you can write the cloud dictionary because I will cover up 100% of the syllabus. Okay.
Okay.
Plus, I will cover up some solution level architect topics as well. I will cover up some AWS professional solution architect level topics as well. So after completing this certificate, give at least, AWS is telling that give 1 year of time. Okay, because you can't write everything over the next weekend, right?
Okay, all right, I get that.
Means it's a year duration required, but you can write after 3 months or after 6 months the next certificate as well. And if you will do into the order, first take the 5 lakh benefit from this certificate. After 1 year, you can take the benefit of 5 lakh from this certificate. After next 1 year, you can take the benefit of 10 lakhs from this certificate, right? If you will directly write this certification exam, you will get only 5 lakh benefit.
Okay, does it, okay, now with this, because what the market says is that they want you to have certification.
Market says if you have a knowledge, that market says if you have a knowledge, certification doesn't matter. If you don't have knowledge, certification is just a paper.
No, I practically understand that. What I'm saying is that if you apply for a job online,
okay,
sorry, if you apply for any job,
correct,
they ask you if you are AWS certified, and majority
okay,
of them usually request for the associates. They don't request for foundation. They request for associate or professional. So that simply means that if I am taking 3-month course from you,
correct,
I will only be able to produce the foundational certificate, which may not necessarily, because I already have skill set for associate and professional, which you have covered, but I don't have certificate to back it up if I'm going to apply to any of the blue chip companies out there. That's my point. Does it mean I have to wait for 1 year?
Your point is agreeable, but see, always knowledge matters. Certificate is just icing over the package. Let's assume you are asking 10 lakh package, but if you have 10 certificates, you are asking 10 lakh package. If you are not able to speak, that certificates are useless. If you are able to speak, you are able to give the answer, they are ready to give the 10 lakh package. If you will show the certificate, they are ready to give 12 lakh or 15 lakh package. Correct? It's a icing over your profile. Agree with my point?
Yeah, I totally agree what you said.
Right? Because see, always in the interview, you will get an interview call with the help of certificate. That's okay. But in the interview, if you will show the certificate first and you are not able to give the answer, they will not ask more than 2-3 questions and they will straightforward reject. If you will give the good answers, they are already shortlisted. Then if you will show the certificate, you can ask 2-3 lakh extra package. Agree?
That's fine.
I hope you are satisfied with my answers, right?
Yes, I'm satisfied with the certification answer. I am going back to the previous slide that you put up. I want to talk about projects.
Yep, I'm giving you 3 projects which are already mentioned in my syllabus.
What are the projects? I think I missed that.
The project one is CI/CD project, which is completely for the DevOps. Okay, which is a Java Spring Boot application.
CI/CD pipeline. Okay.
Which is a Java-based project. Okay, Java Spring Boot application with the help of Git, with the help of Jenkins, with the help of Jenkins file, with the help of Docker. We are going to develop this thing in front of you. I'm going to develop. I will give you all the code, everything, and I will hand over to you how to write into your resume, how to give the answers. I will take the interview on this project as well.
Okay, it's all right. Okay, what's the second project?
Second project is completely on the Java, Python, Go, .NET based application. It's a microservice based project which we will run on the Kubernetes environment.
Fantastic. Okay, good.
Okay. Third project is completely on AWS. Is a different variety. With the help of complete automation, we are going to develop the 40 AWS services with the help of automation, with the help of Terraform.
Okay. Oh, okay. So you teach Terraform as well.
I will teach. Yes, obviously it's in my syllabus. Terraform is in my syllabus. Here is the Terraform. The day 36 to day 40. 1 week we will spend with the Terraform and Ansible as well. Okay. Guys, buddy, it's a master's course. Okay. Whatever you are able to think, everything is available here.
That's so much to cover in 3 months.
I agree. Yeah, but that's why I'm taking a regular classes. If I will take over the weekends, the problem is I will not able to complete this course in 1 year also. Right? Yes or no?
You're correct. Absolutely.
That's why I'm taking 60 live classes, 51 officially. And if you will see the mock interviews and everything will happen 60, 65 classes. I have to take it. Or every day I'm claiming 1 hour, 1.5 hour, but it will go beyond that, little bit beyond that. See, today also I claim at 8 to 1, right? And it's 1:30 p.m. IST, right? No, we don't have any evening batch because evening is not same time. Everyone will not come to home at the same time. Evening is a family time, which people will not able to leave, able to run it on that time. Morning is the only time where we can learn the things.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Because
I hope I have given all the answers.
yes, absolutely. Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks. What else, guys? Any other question? I'm always here. You can always message. My number is always on the website. Okay. If you will see, this is my number. You can message anytime. Okay. Whatever is, if you have any questions, you can message to me anytime. As well as if you will come to the down of the website, there is my number. There is a technical HR number also available. Okay. If you can talk with some management related questions with the HR, you are feel free to message him as well. Is that fine? Sheikh, your question is morning, you have a 9 a.m. your office, right? Guys, this is the management question. If you have any question related to management, you are feel free to message to Shikha or call to Shikha anytime. If you have any technical question or anything, here is my number. You can message or call me anytime. Okay. Here is the detail which I am giving to you into the chat box as well. Or this detail is already mentioned in my website as well. Any other question? Guys, any other question? If nothing, can we wind up? Or any comment? How was the today's session? You are able to understand? Guys, I need an answer. How's the today's session? Able to understand?
Yes, sir.
At least yes should be good.
Yes, yes.
Because it's easy to understand.
Great.
Is my speed was fine? I was not very fast. I was not very slow. Any feedback? Anything?
आशीष कुमार है
Yeah, Ashish, go ahead.
सर मेरा सर एक क्वेश्चन था ये means अभी मैं करंटली AWS क्लाउड इंजीनियर एज ए काम कर रहा हूँ
Good, very good.
पेंटागन मुंबई में
Talk in English. Talk in English,
तो
please. Talk in English. Yes, you are working as a AWS engineer. Yes.
I just want to ask means if I want to switch my job means like from a cloud engineer to DevOps,
Yep.
what should be the means tools I need to learn?
You have to come to my batch. Okay. From here, the DevOps part will get start. The part of the DevOps I will teach you into these days, and I will make a DevOps engineer also.
Working in Linux and Windows servers as well.
I will
and
teach you.
load
See,
balance like that.
Everything, man. Whatever you are thinking, you are talking about load balancer. Yes, it's already here. Linux,
Sir,
you are
I'm
talking.
already working and I'm having knowledge.
Then go and give the interview. No need to learn. If you already have a knowledge, go and give the interviews.
I'm just asking for only DevOps.
Ashish, your voice is not very clear.
I am just asking about DevOps. Yes.
See, you have to learn everything. It's not like that, sir, I want to, from the burger, can you give me the cheese only? Right? I don't want to eat the bread. Correct? Yes or no? Yes, no, Ashish.
Yes, sir.
Right? I can't teach you one topic. It's everything is available. I have to go into the order. I will go everything into the order. Okay?
I can join.
Yep. What else, guys? Any other question? Okay, if nothing, can we wind up the session? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye. Thanks for your time. Yep. And guys, feel free to message to me or Shika if you have any question related to anything. Okay. And we will take care of your questions. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Bye-bye.